up YouTube? My name's Emma. Today we'll be making green glitter slime with googly eyes. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and comment down below. You will need green glitter glue, magic liquid, and googly eyes, spatula, measuring cup, and to top it all up, a big mixing bowl. Let's get started. So, first, it's hard, you will need to pour in your green glitter glue. I think that's enough. Now, we will need our magic liquid, a quarter of a cup. Which is a quarter of a cup?
The lowest one.
This one?
Yeah.
The 1/4?
Yeah.
Perfect. It's absolutely perfect. Now, we add a little bit in at a time and mix it. Mix it. We want to get it really nice. Mushing it up to get it to the right consistency. Now we got to put our googly eyes in. Oh, this is the best experience on YouTube. So I've got to stretch it out again. Watching this slime video. If you liked it, remember to subscribe and get a big thumbs up.